how to turn off flash effect on Candy Crush Saga. It's very easy to do, so let's get started. Launch the Candy Crush Saga on your device. Tap the gear icon on the top left corner, that is the setting menu. In the setting menu, look for the option of accessibility. To go the switch or select the option of turn off flashing effect. This will disable the flashing effect. Save and close the settings. After turning off flash effect, make sure to save your changes and close the necessary settings menu. And here you go, it's done. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such tutorial. And don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries about this